Emerald Cat, how dare you get me into trouble? That's it. I'm going to wash your mouth out with soap.
No 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 no. Dark Junior, please don't wash my mouth out with soap.
Too bad. I'm doing it right now.
Oh my god, that tasted so disgusting. I feel like I'm going to.
Well, this is what you get for getting me into trouble. So, no more getting me into trouble, never.
Oh my god. Emerald Cat, are you okay?
No. I am not okay. Dark Junior washed my mouth out with soap. I feel like I'm going to.
What? Oh my god. Dark Junior, how dare you wash Emerald Cat's mouth out with soap? That's it. Go home right now.
Rush. When he get home, he will be in big trouble.
Oh my god, Dark Junior, how dare you wash Emerald Cat's mouth out with soap? You know that you are not allowed to do that at all.
That's it. You are grounded until your begins. Go to your room right now and think about what you have done.
Yes, mom and dad, whatever you say.